Good morning to one and all present here. I'm Ramya Devi working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today I'm going to share a brief introduction about data science and analytics. So what is data science? So data science is basically a blend of various tools or algorithms and machine learning principles with the goal to discover what has been hidden in a raw data. So data science is a domain of study that deals with vast volumes of data using modern tools and techniques to find the unseen patterns hidden inside your data and to derive a meaningful information about the data and make business decisions accordingly. So data science uses complex machine learning algorithms to build predictive models. So data science encompasses various steps to do that. So the first step is we have to derive the data from the source. From the source, in sense, the source can be a web, a database, or any other databases which can hold data. So preparing data, first we have to derive the data, and then after that we have to prepare the data for analysis and processing, and we have to perform the advanced data analysis, presenting the results to reveal the patterns and enable the stakeholders to draw informed conclusions among that. So, data preparation involved cleansing of data, aggregating the data to a particular value, and manipulating it to be ready for specific types of processing. Analysis requires the development and use of algorithms, analytics, and AI tools. It's driven by software that combs the through data to find patterns within to transform these patterns into predictions that support business decision making, and the results should be shared through the skillful use of data visualization tools. It is possible for anyone to see the patterns and understand the trends which is underlying inside the data. What is data science life cycle? So the data science process includes a life cycle methodology. The first is to capture the data from the source, and we have to prepare and maintain the data and pre-process or process the data, analyze the data, and finally we have to communicate the data. So, as we have discussed earlier, capturing, this is a gathering of raw, structured, or even an unstructured data from all relevant sources of information, or a manual entry, or a web scraping, or a web database, or any other for capture the real time data. And next is prepare and maintain the data. So this involves putting the raw data into a consistent format for analytics or machine learning or deep learning models. So this can also include everything from cleansing, deduplicating, reformatting the data to using ETL. ETL in sense extract, transform, load, or other data integration techniques to combine the data into a data warehouse, data lake, or any other unified store for analysis. So, the data science lifecycle also includes the pre-processing or processing of data. Here, data scientists examine the biases, patterns, ranges, and distributions of values with the data to determine the data's suitability for use with predictive analytics, or which machine learning algorithm or deep learning algorithms to be applied for the specified type of data. And next is the analyze. So this is where the discovery happens, where the data scientists perform statistical analysis, predictive analysis, regression, or machine learning and deep learning algorithms, and more to extract insights from the prepared data. So finally we communicate the data as a report or a chart or other data visualization that makes insights and the impact on the business, so that it will make the data scientists, the decision makers, to understand what has been hidden actually inside your data. And this is the diagram of an data science life cycle. So the first includes the business discernment. So we have to understand the business perceptions of the data. And second, the data acquisition, acquire data from all sources. And data cleansing, we have to detect and correct the corrupt data. And then data exploration, so describe the data set characterization. And data engineering, we have to turn the data into actions. Predictive modeling, we have to train the machine learning and evaluate the performance. And data visualization, finally we have to communicate the findings to the business. So till now we have seen what is data. So data is a raw data which has been a structured or unstructured data that is available in the web, and after that we have to extract the data for the for the business insights. So for that extraction of data, or we have to apply a data science and analytics algorithm to the data. So we have to follow the following steps. First we have to extract the data from the web, and after that we have to clean the data, aggregate the data, and put the data into a particular level, and then we have to pre-process the data, and then after that we have to apply the proper machine learning or deep learning algorithms. Thank you.